Good afternoon, tubers. It is June the 2nd, and I am out here harvesting for Thursday's market. We're going Thursday, Friday, Saturday now at the markets, and I just wanted to show you what these things look like in here. I can still grow tomatoes. All right, I just wanted you to see what's on this one plant. This thing is beautiful. They're all, every single plant, same way. Now we've got a moose and tomatoes. Got peppers over here, cucumbers down there, had cucumbers on the other side, had a problem over there, lost that. Cherry tomatoes in the back. These things are gorgeous. It just looks like this all the way back. Alrighty. So I'll give you a quick update, real quick update. There's lots going on here at Fensterfarm. Still trying to put out content, but it just doesn't seem to happen as often as it should. Y'all go play in some dirt, some nutrient solutions, some fish water, whatever you have to grow something, and we'll see you next time. Take care.